Hey guys, in this series I'm going to be using the GCC compiler and the graphical editor or gedit built into the Linux OS. You're free to use whatever IDE you want. In this video we're going to be talking about the structure of a C code. Now I'm going to be writing a basic C code that everyone should start with. The program prints hello world. Now we're going to take a closer look at the program. This hashtag include is called a preprocessor directive. It tells your computer what files to include. And by files, we can see within this greater to and less than symbol, we have stdio.h. This stdio.h is called a header file. A header file contains functions, built-in commands, etc. There are many like this. For example, math.h, string.h, etc., etc. So the header file stdio.h is included in this program. Next, we come to int main. Now all C codes will have an int main. It's your main function. The execution of the program starts from this line. Next, we come to these curly braces. These curly braces define where your main program starts and ends. The printf function will come to later on in the series and return 0. Since this main function is of type int, it has to return an integer value. This returns 0 if your code is executed successfully. This curly brace tells that your main function ends here. Thank you for watching.